everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to properly insulate around your electrical wiring. For this, you're going to have your wiring and some insulation. I'm just going to use this little piece to show you how to do it. When coming across a piece of wiring that runs horizontal like this, you're going to take your insulation, run it down, and actually split it in half. Like this. Tuck it behind your insulation and fold it down over the top. If you just take it and smash it all behind, you're going to be losing a lot of your R value in that. So, proper thing to do, take it, put it over the top, and drape it down. When you come into account with the wiring that's run on the outside here, what you're going to do is you're just going to take it and pressure it in against there. I love wiring that runs like this. You don't have a lot of work to do. It's quick, it's easy. Make sure that you have your good staples on there. Keep it back there, otherwise your wire's just going to sit there and kind of start to smash this back. As you can see behind me, we used unfaced insulation. And then we put a visqueen over the top. Make sure you get it good and stapled down there. What I like to do is actually measure where my wires are going through these boards. That way when you're putting drywall or wood up, you're not running screws in there and actually catching the wire in the middle of it. This could cause a fire or some other serious problems. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and thanks for watching.